Earlier, we have released a video about NAD's advocacy with the government to make ISL an official language. NAD had informed the deaf community all over India to send letters to the Home Ministry to include ISL in the constitution as the official language. They wanted people send letters as the winter session of the parliament is from 18 November to 13 December 2019. In the constitution, there are 22 official languages, but we want Indian Sign Language to be 23rd official language. When Home Minister will see so many letters, he will inform the Parliament about this and discuss to make ISL official. The 1.80 crore strong deaf community in India have petitioned to make Indian Sign Language official. This news was even published in the Times of India. Even the General Secretary of SLAD, Deaf Pradeep More, confirmed that even he will write to the ministry, in which he has stated that he wants Indian Sign Language to be recognized as it will help in deaf schools. This will help better the quality of schools. Deaf youth will be able to avail higher education in colleges such as BA, BCom, BSc, etc. Sign language is a must so that the youth study well and can find job easily. This is why they are sending letters. The aim of this campaign is to spread awareness about making ISL official among deaf community, Indian Sign Language teachers, interpreters, etc. Everyone should send letters to make sign language official, so that it creates awareness among people and the government. NAD hopes to reach the government officials who make the law for sign language. NAD are sharing and spreading the demand for recognition of sign language through social media platforms. When the members of parliament see the huge demand for ISL, they will present it on the floor for discussion. They have also written to the government and received assurance about a positive action. Last year, the Ministry of Social Justice had raised the issue, but there is still no execution on their part. If the government makes ISL official, it will begin promoting and developing ISL by printing books, etc. Once ISL is officially recognized, it will be printed on notes along with other official languages. Just like how UPSC exams are conducted in all the 22 official languages, the exams will even be conducted in ISL.